Welcome again to this channel, and I'd like you to subscribe. This is where you get to learn mathematics or even further mathematics in a very simple way. Very simple way. Alright? Now let's look at how to solve simple differentiation works. Alright? Now look at this example. Differentiate with respect to x. Y equals to 2x raised to power 4. In differentiating, you say dy dx equals to this power will multiply these two. Alright? The power will multiply the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we have 4 times 2. Then you rewrite this x raised to power 4 and reduce the power by 1. That's all. So times this x, rewrite it. Then of course you have 4 minus 1. You lessen the power by 1. So you have 4 times 2 is 8. Then we have x. 4 minus 1 is 3. And you have your answer right there. Subscribe to this channel to get more